Hi, Sneakers. Welcome to my Affiliate Marketing Info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called OrangeSuite. What this product OrangeSuite is all about is a platform you can host. This about free hosting about the let's take a look at what this product is all about. More detail. What is OrangeSuite also is also that you can also to come with 3 different unlimited storage. You will have an unlimited stores for all your files. This is also to save your money. About the Dropbox, Google. There's also you can store all your files, unlimited storage. Second is the unlimited website hosting. If you have a blog, other than you buy a domain, you have the hosting. The most common is host companies, HostGator, HostGator. You have to pay monthly fee, unlimited video hosting. If you want to have a video, you can also to the web host or video player. Could buy the Vimeo. This is also the fee most popular platform. You have to pay monthly fee. But this OrangeSuite does also have the unlimited storage for this 3 different platform. Just for one-time payment, you skip the monthly fee. That is also the benefit when you grab this product just for one-time payment. Other than that, you have also come with the commercial license. Then it's also that you can offer this as a service to other offline and online business, and you will keep 100% commission. Then you can also to charge their client, no matter it's offline or online. They also have because the more people will go to online during this pandemic. So if you have this, you can provide this as a service and charge them any price you want. You can have a recurring income. And you can also get our recurring agency side. Then you also have an agency to host all of the web video hosting, web hosting as a service to other people. It's also have a reseller license to also the company will reseller license to a page builder. Then you can also to get it for free. This is also what you will get with this one. But if you this also just simply you can also do the 3 different hosting waive your money fee and just for one-time payment. Other than that, if you are interested in this product, OrangeSuite, I also put together this 9 exclusive bonus. Bonus I will also give you this order bonus I will also give you this done for you. I will also done for you the product. Everything is done for you and also how you can create your own product. When you promote this when you know how you can create your own product and also to list it up on my JDsoon wallet and even a kick banner, then anybody that will opt in to become your customer, then you will have building your list. The list is the email, the money in your list, but the list is not a freebie. You cannot want to building a landing page or capture the email just and giving away something for free, because for freebie buyer traffic on freebie traffic, but when you have to build the buyer traffic, it is much more valuable than freebie. Because maybe over triple on 5 or 4 on 5 times, because they have a credit card, they have to buy something from you. So this is also the potential customer. This is also much easier to turn them into a buyer. Much variable. Bonus number 2, I also give you this product. You also come with a software that will create a done for you website and done for you article. You don't have to worry about how you can create your article. If you want to hire someone to create your article, for example, consistency is the key to succeed. You have to create a blog post at least 1 per week. If you are not capable and not struggling, how you can find idea, how you can create your blog post, you can easily to hire someone to Fiverr or Upwork, but it's also very expensive. If you are in a constant buyer, but this software will come to the done for all new article. All you have to do is buy a domain and hosting. Because of this product is also to have the hosting. You can also hosting your domain and also for this product, for this done for you website to make it as under your name, your domain name. I will also give you this product that will also come with a done for you program from Kickbank and Wallet together review. all you have to do is create your account from Kickbank and Warrior Plus, and also the Kickbank is much more easy for the newbie. If you are complete newbie for affiliate marketing, all you have to do is create your account, and I think most up to the 90% of the program, you don't have to waiting for the vendor approval. But the Warrior Plus gives you a new, you cannot easily to get approval from your affiliate link. No matter which platform you want to, they also come with the Kickbank and Warrior Review. Then you can also get your affiliate link, insert your affiliate link for this done for you campaign, promote this done for you campaign. Anybody to buy this campaign, you will get affiliate commission from Kickbank and Warrior Plus. Bonus I also give you another making money platform. I also give you the surefire silver membership. What you will get the latest ebook, software, plugin, audio, video. They also come with giveaway. You can also give away as a lead bagger and build your OrangeSuite and also because they also come with a page builder and also to build your email. There's also a giveaway. Private label wise, it's also you can edit anything you want. You can edit your logo, anything. You can also make it unique and sell it as your own and keep 100% commission. Bonus I also give you the free website and how you can make money fast by selling this private label product, because you have this product, how you can make it, and also this video that will teach you how you can buy, edit, and sell private label, and also how to make money. Bonus I also give you the free membership. Claim your free membership, you will get paid in 2 ways. If they pick up any solo ad package, if they upgrade, you get paid. Bonus 7, free affiliate program. All you will do is create your account, watch their video, and promote their software. Because the software is available for monthly fee, so you just must promote it once, and you will get paid month after month. Bonus 8, I will also give you another internet marketing course. This course is created by the 7-figure internet marketer. He has over the 10 years experience about affiliate marketing. Most of the high ticket offer is almost over $1,000, almost $1,000. But he would also give you his internet marketing course completely free. After you create your account, and you will also have a chance to get instant access to members only the training portal and register for his weekly live training. During his weekly training, he will teach you how to make money, how you can start your online business, and giving you so much free resources. All you will do is create your account, get his internet marketing course, and go to members only training portal and register for his weekly live training. Bonus 9, there's also and I will also give you the vendor exclusive bonus. There's also a VX week traffic white label, gold stock white label. All you will do is you can also do white label. Then is also you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% commission. But if you don't pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my 10 OTO bonus. OTO bonus by iBrand machine is also the software to put your Instagram account autopilot and like. Then you can also attract more Instagram followers. OTO tool. OTO tool bonus. Pinterest traffic automator is also the automated pin links from your WordPress to your Pinterest account. They will get unlimited free organic traffic from Pinterest. OTO bonus Facebook photo contest. You can host the photo contest. Will help you to capture view the Facebook email address. There's also the view email address from Facebook. You can also export them into CSV file and import your any email marketing software. It also help you to build your view email subscriber. OTO bonus product. I will also give you article submittal. You also need to have, because they have a folder, you can also have easily to submit your article to hundreds of articles directly without to spend much on your manual hour. OTO bonus file. I will also give you the 99,000 PLR article. Is also for the blog post. OTO bonus 6, I will also give you 2,500 emails. It is also for the email marketing. OTO bonus 7, I will give you a puzzle book profit. It is also included 9 videos that will teach you how you can publish KDP books and low content book on Amazon. It will help you to make side hustle. OTO bonus 8啦 ，I will also give you exclusive bonus package， and also the free training 啊 ，software 啦 ，report 啊 ，free download 啦 ，and the free version you can register。Also the recently the active demo 嘅 training will teach you how you can make money 啦 from YouTube 啦。OTO bonus 9啦 ，I will show you the blocking for profit，how you can build a profitable 嘅 blocking 啦。OTO bonus 10啦 ，30 days to bigger email，how you can build a bigger 嘅 email list in 30 days。The money email list is the most first priority to build your email list. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to the inside the warrior before the countdown timer. Hit zero. Simply check my description below. The first thing they will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, you will be directed to the sales page. After you purchase my OrangeSuite, you will also see the little blue button on Warrior Percent. You can press this blue button and you will instantly access all my exclusive bonus. But if you will pick up any upsell and sunset, you will also get my 10 get OTO bonus. Let's also like to check their sales page. Is also the OrangeSuite one. It also have a timer. You will every 60 seconds they have a timer. You have to buy this, or you can have the constantly to raise your price. There's also the unlimited hosting, cloud hosting, and high-speed video storage for bundle price. Make money at the same time because we have a replace your web host, Dropbox, and Vimeo. And there's also have a save your money about the they also come to and all of the hot video the host unlimited viral traffic and list storage and delivery. And you can also to slow down just for a one-time payment. We also come to 90-day money back guarantee. You can also to scroll down to the bottom to see what is mean website hosting, cloud storage, video hosting, monthly payment, and just for one-time payment. So I also like to review that to the P-State just for reminder that P-State will be till the end of the video because I also prepared something special for you. P-State will be till the end of the video. Just for reminder that don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn notification if you enjoy my video. Don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So lastly, I also like to go through what are the price and upsell as well. Just for the front end, you have the $40, but you have and I just want to have an exit, you have a $2 discount. Upsell number one is or pull is $27. They also come with the downsell $27. This is the premium, the unlimited features. Also we have a more feature. Everything is unlimited. I highly recommend you to pick up the upsell number one, $27. VIP upsell number two, $47. The downsell, you will have a lifetime access to free the premium the software. It also will come with a page builder. Then you can to use it to build your landing page and also to capture your email graphic SaaS sell as a service and also a graphic software you can also to create and you can also to sell this as your own and keep 100%. You can sell this as a service. Email auto response, that's also the most important thing to answer to and you can also to get this auto response to send your email. This is also I think this is also every business that you have especially the page builder and email auto response $47 just for one-time payment. If you compare other auto response, but they also charge you monthly fee. For example, the AWeb, Get Response, MailChimp, SendLink, FT Campaign, they will also come with a 30-day. Some of them may be a 40-day trial, and most of them will have a 30-day trial. After the 30-day trial, they have charge you monthly fee. It's also depending on the number of subscribers you have. If you have a much more bigger email, for example, 500 for AWeb and Get Response up to 1,000 for the basic. After you exit this 500 1,000 and for example 200 and 2,500 and also the 500 10,000 you have the page much more monthly, but you have to pay this emails of auto response just for one-time payment. It's also very affordable. Other than that, you can also the page builder and graphic sell as a service the product. You can also to the sell and provide services to the client just for one-time payment $47. That is also every product, every business you have in this. So I highly recommend you to pick up the upsell number 2 VIP. Upsell number 3 enterprise. You have a downsell $27. So you will get 10 of the best making money the products. It's also if you have $10 for example, just for the downsell you can pick this up $27 10 you will $2.77. You will have the 10 making money the product. You can also to use to make more money. So But with all there's also the complementary also to advise that you should pick up the Pro 啦，$27啦，and over the VIP 啦，there's also the free 嘅 software 啦，and also the 10 most make money 嘅 product 咧，also the downsell 啦，47 $47 and $27啦，reseller 啦，$47啦，premium 嘅 traffic 咧就 also I have no idea what this product is all about because I don't have any information, but you have I highly recommend you to take a look at the sales page to see that because the traffic is the most important. But you could have much more the traffic, then you can have more eyeballs to see your offer. Then you can also to build. This is also the very powerful. You can take a look at sales. They also come with $47. Agency, if you want to start your agency, you can pick this up at $37. But in my opinion, I highly recommend. In my opinion, I recommend that you can also to pick up Pro 啦，$27 unlimited storage, everything is unlimited and VIP Pro you have the free premium 嘅 software, especially every business have a page builder and email subscriber $47嘅單，just for one time payment Enterprise you will have a 10 嘅 make money 嘅 and the product is also $27嘅單，you have the divided by 10 $2.70. This is not I think this is also affordable in my opinion. Upsell number 1, 2 I recommend that you can get rid of upsell number 3 optional and also I should about and take a look at that and traffic traffic is the core system for the payment it's about $47 Other than that you can also pick up this quarter you will get 9 exclusive bonus, but if you pick up any upsell and downsell you will also get my let's take a look you will also get my 10 嘅 OTO bonus All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warriors Pass before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Simply check my description below. The first link they will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you practice any blue button, go through the sales page. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warriors Pass before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Thanks for taking time to check out my OrangeSuite Review and Bonuses. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any questions. Thanks for taking time to watch till the end of the video because I also prepared 8 GB you can instantly access. All you have to do is check my description to create your 8 GB. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.